Now question of the day, determine the magnitude of frictional force and acceleration of the block. So first of all, make free body diagram of that block. That is 10 into G. If G is 10, that is how much? 100. Let's consider G this equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay. Normal force applied by plane on the block always perpendicular to the surface. So here N1. This block is not moving in vertical direction. So N1 is equal to how much? 100 Newton. Okay. After that, what about FL? FL is how much? Mu s into N1. Mu s 0.3 and N1 is 100. So that is how much? 30 Newton. And FK is mu k into N1. Mu k is 0.25 into 100. So that is how much? 25 Newton. Also clear? Now after that, if you look here, that is 30 Newton and that is 25 Newton. These two forces, that is limiting frictional force and that is kinetic frictional force. Now horizontal force is how much? 60 Newton. So frictional force generated in opposite direction, that is F. Okay. Now there are two possibilities. Case first, if that is driving force, or you can say that applied force. Driving force, if driving force is greater than FL, then oscillation of the block is not zero. Second case, if FL is greater than capital F, means oscillation of the block is zero. Look here, applied force 60 Newton and our driving force is 60 Newton and limiting frictional force is how much? 30 Newton. That force is greater than that force, it means case first. So block, oscillation of the block is not zero. Okay, I hope so clear. It means this block is moving in which direction? Like that one. Net force. Okay, in this direction, that's why. So according to Newton's second law, unbalanced force 60 minus F, written as 60 minus F, this is equal to mass into oscillation. Mass is 10 and oscillation is A. What about F? During a block is moving, then which type frictional force applied here? 25. Kinetic frictional force, that is 25. So 60 minus 25. Okay, so Fk. So 10 into A. So what about A? 60 minus 25. That is my how much? That is 5. And 6 minus 2, that is 5 minus 2, that is how much? 3. 35 divided by 10. So how much? 3.5 meter per second square. I hope so clear. So oscillation of the block, that is how much? 3.5 meter per second square. And what about frictional force at that time? 25 Newton. Okay, this is the final answer. These two are final answer. I hope so clear. Make it.